This is style 2423. Overall, the garment is not acceptable. The body length was plus 2 inches. It should be 25 inches at back on body and 25 inches at front on form and 25.5 inches at back on form, and it's measuring 27 at front and 27.5 at back. You can also see that the sweep was so large that this portion was collapsing on itself. It looked very sloppy. So what we've done is we've decreased the sweep. It should be taken evenly from front and back at both sides and then blended to 0 at the waist. In addition to that, we're also decreasing the back length by picking up here at the back armhole. You're going to pick up at the back armhole approximately 1/2 of an inch all the way across, and then that remaining inch and a half will come off of the bottom to meet that 25.5 inch length at back. The front, you're taking the full amount off at the bottom sweep, all off at the bottom, just to balance the garment. Also, you can see up here that these strips on the yoke are really wavy, and they're not coming out straight. So what we want you to do is straighten them on form. So it should be lowering approximately 1/4 of an inch at the armhole here, 1/4 of an inch at the armhole here, blending to 0 here, blending to 0 really at center front neck. So you can see it comes up and comes back down. You need to straighten it all the way off to the center front neck when it's on form. Also, this is really poor workmanship, and I'm thinking it's because it is set in. I'm wondering if you could achieve a better finished visual if you topped this piece on to the mesh. Suresh, I need you to get back to me on that point. The last call out is that after you pick up the back body, the back armhole becomes very straight. So we need to scoop it approximately 1/4 of an inch at about 2 inches from the side seam, and then you're going to blend to 0 inches at the across back position, just so that you have a nice rounded shape coming in. You will be the 1/4 of an inch below the black mark. You can see here we're still 1/4 below the mark. It's just you need to carve it out. I need all these revisions made and a sample sent back to me by early next week so that we can get this approved and you can get it cut as soon as possible. I'm going to send a tech pack with the revised specs, but there will be no photos in the tech pack because I'm going to post this video to YouTube for you to pick up and watch. Please email me if you have any questions.